Hello, welcome to Experts Tech. In this video I will show you how to open run command in Windows with different methods. First, open run command with a keyboard shortcut. Use the Windows key plus R. Just hold down the Windows key and then hold the R on your keyboard. Launch run command using Windows search. In the search bar just type the run, then select run app to open it. Opening the run command using the start menu. In Windows 11, select the Start menu button and then All Apps. Scroll down, and then click on Windows Tools. Open Run. Using the command prompt to launch the Run window, enter the following command: Explorer.x shell 2559A1F321D711D4BDAF00CO4F60B9F0. Launch the Run command using PowerShell. Open the PowerShell command and then type or copy, paste the below command. New object com object, shell, application, file run. Using the Windows menu to run the run command. Right-click on the Windows Start button and then click or tap on Run to open it. That's it for today. If you like the video, then subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching the video.